My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I am in the process of giving this product in the next couple of days. So I wanted to ask you if there is like a way to make sure that everything is perfect, because I don't want any surprises. So is there a way that I can make sure the automations work, that everything is working fine, that I am 100% confident that everything is going to be okay? Is there like the onboarding list? Is there like another list that I can make sure, okay, this works, everything works, like when a plane is about to take off, they go through the whole body of the plane and inside and out to make sure that everything is good. Is there a way that I can do that for this first paying client of Elite plan or any other plan? But is there a way that I can make sure everything is good?
Yeah, I mean, basically, you just have to walk through it as if you were a lead going through the customer journey.
Okay.
And so create yourself as a lead in his sub account, or fill out the form on his website. Let's say you built him the website right and you have some automations that trigger off. Like go fill out the form on his site, message him through the chat widget, book an appointment on the calendar if there's a calendar on his
Mhm.
website. And just make sure you're getting the text message, the email. Just make sure everything that's supposed to happen in the automations that you built are happening, and just test it live as if you were a lead coming through his website or something like that. You can
Okay.
also test automations, right? You can do the little test button at the
Yeah.
top right of them and trigger them that way. But I like to just make sure, like, I go live with it. I go through and make sure everything's buttoned up that way. Book an appointment, make sure you're getting the text and the email for like, hey, thanks for booking an appointment. Make sure you're getting the reminders, stuff like that. And then automations are really the only thing that can really break. That's what like moves the software and like makes things happen. And so as long as you know the automations you built for them and you've gone and just like tested them, like whatever the trigger event is in each of those automations you've built, fill out the trigger, fill out the form, book the calendar appointment on the calendar, whatever the trigger events are, just fill in your own info, make sure you're getting the proper text, emails, all that stuff. So that's the best way to really test it, is just like do it live as if you were a customer or a lead coming through his
Sure.
pipeline or through his website or funnel or whatever. So if you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.